Okay, 7.2 is similar triangle, side angle, side theorem.
Nice.
Okay? If triangles are similar, what does that mean?
They're the same.
Same ratio.
They have the same side length ratios and what else?
Angle.
The angles are
The same.
exactly the same. Okay, so angles are the same, but the side lengths, the ratios are different. And the two that we talked about yesterday were what for similarities?
SSS and AA.
What do those stand for?
Angle, angle, side, side, side.
Angle, angle, or side, side, side. So all three sides have to be proportional, or two of the angles have to be congruent to two of the other angles, correct?
Correct.
Okay. So side angle side similarity theorem, okay, says if the lengths of two corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional and the angles, the side forms are congruent, then the triangles are similar. So if AC and AB are proportional to FD and DE, and angle A and angle D are congruent, then you have side angle side similarity. Now, listen, on your proofs and on your homework and your quizzes from now on, if you do not tell me similarity with it, I mark it wrong because I'm assuming it's side, side, side congruency theorem.
Can we just add an S to it? So it's like SA
Could
and
be
S.
S-A-S.
So we have to
Right.
put,
Or
S-S-S-S.
Yeah, put sim next to it so I don't get confused.
wait,
Okay.
or do we have to put the little,
You have to, when you are writing it in this form, okay, when you are writing it saying those two triangles are similar, yes, you have to write this. If
okay,
they were congruent, you would have an equal sign under that, yes?
yep,
Yes. So you also have to have your symbols right, correct, Brandon?
okay.
Okay.
Sim,
Okay, so then, because you have SAS in similarity, okay, we also have some problems we can do.
proof.
It says prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. How would
Wait,
you
what?
prove that?
Proportions.
A, B, C.
Well, since it's a proof, you gotta give me statements and reasons.
3/2 is equivalent to 9/6.
3
Wait,
over 2,
I got a better
no.
one,
It is.
I got a better
3
one.
over 2 doesn't even go with the sinking triangle.
What are you doing, Caleb?
Well, like if you're doing the side things.
What are you doing,
No,
dude? What are you
that's
doing?
not how you would do it.
Wait, 8 over 12. is
Where are you
congruent to
getting the
9
8
over
from?
6.
Where are you getting the 8 from?
Because she's
She's
adding
adding
6
them.
and 2 for triangle ABD, or ABC.
Good job,
No,
man.
no.
That's triangle ABC, the side AB. Okay, before you even put numbers into it, what do you have to do? Because this is a proof.
Given.
Start with the given. Do we have the givens?
CE is equal to 3.
Oh, well, you could say CA is 12 inches
You could say CA equals 12,
and BA is 8.
BA is 8,
EA is 9.
EA is 9,
EA is 6.
DA is 6. What's the reason behind that?
Given.
Okay, that works. Now, what do you have to set up before you can even plug numbers in?
Givens, what?
Proportion.
Proportions.
Yes.
You have to set up with letters before I can substitute numbers in. So, tell me what you would set up. What would we do?
I like your nails.
Thank you.
12 over 8. Definitely
You
not right.
can't just plug numbers in. You have to give me letters first, because you have to do
BA.
substitution.
CA over BA
Okay, CA over BA.
is equal to EA over GA.
California.
Over DA.
Delaware.
And what is that called when you're setting that up like that?
East America.
It is a proportion. I don't know that we can skip straight to there.
It is correct.
Similar.
No, stop this. This is a proportion. The problem is this, okay? You said, first thing you said was 9 plus 3, right?
Yeah.
And you said 6 plus 2, right? The problem is this, you just added 9 and 3 without giving me anything else.
What?
You can't just go straight to numbers, you have to give me,
CE plus EA.
yeah. So, you wanna say, to start this off, you wanna say AC equals what?
AC equals, where's the A?
12.
Equals
Wow.
It
Wow.
equals CE plus EA.
Thank you. You cannot skip straight to numbers. You have to give me segments first.
Yes.
AC equals AE plus CE. What is this called when I have that plus that equals this?
Angle addition, or
Yeah.
segment addition.
Yes,
Possible.
segment addition postulate.
The
You
CE
have to
is
start
remedial.
from the beginning. That's your first step. Now, what else could you list under the same first step?
B A equals BD plus TA.
Yes. AB equals AD
I missed that.
plus
You guys are
I
funny.
should say it.
DB. Okay, that could be under that as well. Now what can I do?
Now you can, yes,
Now I can what?
now you can.
Crabby.
Well, can I add in numbers? Have I stated what is what yet?
No.
Yes.
Okay, so, but, okay, let's add in numbers. If I add in numbers, what do you get?
AC equals, AC equals 3 plus 9.
But if,
9
if
plus
this is
3.
approved, shouldn't we have the givens above that?
This is the given. The given is using the segment
Okay.
addition postulate. There isn't a given that's stated clearly, so you have to go
Okay, I
with
get,
like what the first thing would be
yeah.
to get there. Okay.
And then you do
And then you do AB equals 6 plus 2,
Substitution.
right?
Yes, sir.
Good, substitution.
Yeah, so I got that one.
You're so smart, Brandon. I envy your intelligence.
That's the hardest one to get.
I know,
Okay,
that's why I got
That's
it.
why Brandon got it, exactly.
now what do we want to set up?
that proportion.
The proportion thing. We want to set the proportions up, right? Okay, so you want to set up, AD over AD, right?
12 and
CA over BA.
proportion time.
AD over AB, yes. AD over AB equals,
See
and we
what
want
that's
to do
right?
AE over AC, right?
No.
Yes, because
Correct.
you're looking at triangle ABC and triangle ADE. So you have to do this whole, you have to do that whole, the AB, over this whole of that triangle, the AD. See, AB and AD line up together.
Yes.
That makes sense.
Smart.
Okay. What is that called when we do that?
Proportion.
Yeah, setting up two proportions or ratios, either works. Now, what do we do from there?
Plug and chug.
Plug numbers in, yes?
Substitution.
Substitution.
Yes.
So for
Got that one
substitution, we're
again.
gonna do, what is AD? AD is 6, right?
C,
6 over
8,
8 equals, what do you do from there?
Solve. Simplify.
simplify.
Cross multiply.
Oh, wow.
What's 6 times 12 and 9 times 8?
72 and 72.
Or, so I can solve it that way and be done, or what could I have done to both of these?
Simplify.
Simplify. Either is an option here for the next step.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I simplify, you get 3.
Over 2. Oh, well, if you're.
What?
Yeah, okay.
3/4?
Yes,
And
3/4
and
3/4.
Okay, so either way, you can have your answer, does that make sense? So this is either cross multiplication or you can simplify and prove to me, okay? Now, once you prove to me that those are proportional, okay,
Quick and easy.
then what do you have to state after that? Because I don't have enough information just off of those two sides. I either need 3 sides, or I need 2 angles, or I need 2 sides and a. So what angle would be the next one?
A,
So I'd say
What
angle
else
A
is-
is congruent to angle A, why?
because they both in the triangle.
No, angle,
Reflexive.
what? Oh,
Reflexive.
reflexive. So then after I state those things, I can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE using.
SASM.
Sure,
With Chloe here, it's not, it's much better.
SAS, she said SASM.
Sim.
Sim.
Awesome.
So you're going to have to take it through step by step. Okay, last problem and then I'll give you some more.
Already.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. A person who is 2 meters tall looks into a mirror. It has been placed on the ground 3 meters away. and sees the reflection of the top of a telephone pole. If the distance between the telephone pole and the mirror is 21 meters, how tall is the telephone pole?
Telephone pole by a telephone.
How would you set that up?
I have to see it, I can't understand.
Well, you have to tell me how to draw it to see it then.
So draw a person that's 2 meters tall.
Okay, let's start there. So this person is 2 meters tall.
Is that very tall?
Okay,
That's 6 feet.
It doesn't even have a head or
meters.
body or anything.
2 meters tall.
That's me.
Looks into a mirror that has been what?
3 meters away from the ground, on the ground.
Placed on the ground 3 meters away. So what does that look like?
Like a 3 distance.
Oh, I know what we're gonna do
Like
here.
this, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we've been doing these.
We've been done, we fit it in
Okay.
business.
Now what would, now it says,
Telephone pole.
so sees a reflection of the top of a telephone pole, yes? So if it's reflecting, that means if this is reflecting, it'd be over here, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
And it's 21 meters away.
And it's 21 meters away
Yes.
From what, the person or
From
the?
mirror.
from the mirror.
Mirror.
From the mirror.
So from here, it's 21 meters away, right? And they wanna know how tall that is, correct?
Yeah.
Oh.
X over 2, 21 over 3.
Or we get 3,
Yeah, you can set up either way. So you get 3x equals 42, and x equals what?
12.
14.
That was close.
1.
14,
6.
Meters. Yes,
14
sir.
meters. Okay?
Are you
These are things you are working on tonight, yes?
Yes.
Can you handle that?
Yes.
Let's hope so.
Ah,
Me
yeah.
too.